Hey guys, I'm doing a tour. It's been well over a month into this renovation. I believe last time I did a tour, it was while we were still cleaning up. We of course finished cleaning up a while ago. We're still doing some demolition and still cleaning up some of the backyard. So there's still stuff to haul away, but otherwise we're progressing pretty well. We got a bunch of windows in today, the patio door, got the front door installed yesterday, and I'm gonna give you a quick tour on the inside. You see, I just noticed that I need to put the glass into that window there. And yeah, we started tearing apart some of the stairs and other stuff. They're all gonna be gone. I'm gonna put the wooden stairs in here with some overhang. We put a 36 9 light door in here with insulation inside, so you actually can see the little bits there that came out as they were working it, I believe. Yeah, so this one is actually fully set and spray foamed. We haven't spray foamed all of them. The big window, we're still waiting. It's too heavy to install as is. Well, it's possible, but it's going to be quite the battle here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the side windows out, the casement windows, and that will make it quite a bit lighter. That's the old door there. So we got the step back a bit, but we got the dining area, kitchen with a half wall supported on the top with beams, living room area right here up to about here. Then we have an entrance area here. We haven't set this up yet, but there's going to be a closet there, a half bath in here, this area here, half bath. Then we got the full bathroom with the laundry and hot water tank. It's going to be set up in here. We got a nice window there. Then we have the first bedroom. Those are 9 by 11. Then we got the master bedroom. This one is a 12.5 by 11. And the third bedroom, almost 9 by 11. So it's just under 9. You might have noticed that I've put 2 walls here. So with today's code, you don't get enough insulation in the walls using the existing 2x4s. So you either use closed cell spray foam, double up the walls like I did here, so you can put double the insulation and then you get enough insulation, or you replace all of them with 2x6s, which again gives you more insulation. You could pass with existing 2x4s if you put insulation on the inside and then put some rigid foam on the outside. But it literally gives you the bare minimum for passing, but not the quality you want in a house. So yeah, we have quite a bit of it framed, a lot of the headers. So I at some point realized that we don't really need the full headers like that on interior walls. So I said, the hell with it, we'll go in just simple headers. Yeah, so we're getting close now to plumbing and electrical. Those usually go pretty quick. There's literally just, especially plumbing. If you know where your things are going, from where, it should be pretty simple. We actually cleaned up recently, so we moved quite a bit of stuff downstairs. And oh yeah, here we used to have the chimney here, and actually had a big hole for it because it came out with the stone and other stuff. Since we chipped all of it out, we actually had to patch this up and close it off. But the guys did a great job there. And yeah, we just moved a bunch of stuff in here. Storage for us for right now. I need to do final measurements of where exactly the windows are at, what sizes they are. Take into consideration that there's going to be a deck there, so there might be no point in expanding that window. I'm gonna probably do a 2-bedroom in here. I've tried doing 3 bedrooms before. You get higher rents that way, but if the bedrooms are too small and the space is too small, like living room and other spaces, not a whole lot of people want to live there. So I'd rather go for the kind of premium 2-bedroom, get as close as I can for the 3-bedroom rents, but have it rented right away. Again, less people, so the water here is on one bill, so less people, less water. You got some savings that way as well, so all in all, it should compensate for itself somewhat. And yeah, that's my update. If you guys have any questions, any recommendations, any comments, or otherwise, feel free to leave a like, comment below, and I'll see you guys next time.